What's up, world? Just wanted to hop on real quick. Just thought of a little hack. Normally, when I'm sanding coasters, I'm doing one at a time, doing each edge, making sure everything's nice and smooth after it comes off the CNC. But doing one set, not so bad. When you have 25 sets to do, it's 100 coasters. It's a lot of sanding, and it puts a cramp in your hands really quick. So I found a little hack that helps if you happen to have a little lathe laying around. Let me show you. Alright, so first you're going to take the flat attachment for the lathe, put some double-sided tape on it, and you're going to cut around the edges just so there's not so much sticking out to catch on your sandpaper or anything like that. Once you get that double-sided tape put on, you're going to take the coaster and put it on there. It doesn't have to be perfectly centered, as long as you're applying light, even pressure with the sandpaper. It's going to sand evenly. You just give it a nice little round over, pop it off, inspect it, make sure everything looks good, slap the next one on, and repeat this process for as many coasters as you have. After doing all the coasters, I did find out that one piece of double-sided tape will do about 4 sets of coasters without losing its stickiness. After that, it will need to be replaced, and you just continue the process for as many as you have. And just like that, all 25 sets are done. If you like that video, go ahead and give it a like. Give me a subscribe if you want to see more content, and feel free to comment what else you want to see. Until then, peace out. You guys have a great, well, it's a weekend now, but whatever day it is, have a great day for you.